Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin at the piano, walk up close and press the action button to open the interaction prompt. Once the prompt appears, make sure you have the required music sheet or key item in your inventory. The game checks that immediately. If you don't, return to the nearest landmark to collect it, then come back. You'll see visual cues on the keys, follow them. Save the game now so you can test variations without losing progress. Now you'll execute the piano sequence. Watch the on-screen prompts and hit keys in rhythm. The timing windows are forgiving, so focus on accuracy rather than speed. Once done with a phrase, listen for the confirmation chime which signals success. If it's wrong, retry the exact pattern while keeping consistent timing. Make micro adjustments to your camera angle so you can read upcoming notes several beats ahead, and use the hold mechanic for sustained tones to match the melody. Finish the full song to trigger the event. This typically unlocks a door or advances a scene. When you complete the melody, confirm the game registers it by watching for the success animation and listening for the cue. If the piano won't register correct input, reload the save and replay only the problematic section to isolate timing errors. Make sure you've selected the correct sheet music variant. Sometimes an alternate sheet is required. If nothing works, reposition and retry to clear collision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.